In 2025, choosing the right car dashcam can redefine your driving safety and recording experience. Today, we explore the top 5 dashcams combining cutting-edge technology, superior video clarity, and reliability. Stay tuned to discover which model outperforms the rest and offers features you never knew you needed. Number 5. The VanTrue E360, a cutting-edge 3-channel dashcam that redefines vehicle security. With its 360 degrees panoramic coverage, night vision, and smart voice control, it promises unmatched protection and convenience. Stick around till the end to see why this could be your ultimate car companion. The VanTrue E360 features an innovative triple lens system, 210 degrees front, 210 degrees rear, and 165 degrees cabin, capturing every angle in sharp 2.7K quality. Whether driving or parked, it records all surroundings, ensuring nothing escapes your view. The panoramic and fisheye modes add unique cinematic perspectives to your driving footage. Powered by dual-star Miofive S2 sensors and HDR, the E360 delivers outstanding clarity, even in pitch-dark conditions. 8 infrared lights enhance visibility inside and outside your car. From license plates to faces, every crucial detail is preserved with precision for total peace of mind. Even when your car is off, the VanTrue E360 keeps watch. Its intelligent parking mode records break-ins, collisions, and suspicious movement within 20 feet, complete with pre-recorded footage for context. It's like having a personal security guard for your vehicle, day and night. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly preview, download, and share videos via the VanTrue app. The dual GPS system tracks your route, speed, and driving behavior, providing valuable data for insurance claims or trip analysis. Voice and touch controls make using the E360 effortless. Just say a command to save footage or toggle features. Installation is simple, with a strong magnetic mount and adjustable angles. Optional LTE connectivity adds live monitoring for total control anywhere. Overall, the VanTrue E360 isn't just a dashcam, it's a complete security system for your car. With 360 degrees coverage, crystal clear night vision, and intelligent connectivity, it sets a new benchmark for driving safety in 2025. Number 4. The Miofive S1 E Ultra, a dashcam that promises crystal clear 4K footage and all-around car protection. Let's see if it delivers. The Miofive S1 E Ultra captures every detail in stunning 4K Ultra HD with a 143 degrees wide-angle lens. Whether it's bright daylight or nighttime driving, its advanced night vision ensures crisp, vivid footage. You'll never miss license plates, signs, or sudden movements, making it your reliable road companion. This dashcam's built-in GPS accurately tracks your route and speed, ideal for both safety and scenic drives. Thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly view, configure, or share your recordings through the Miofive app. No need to remove the memory card ever again. The Miofive S1 E Ultra's G-sensor detects impacts and automatically locks important footage. Combined with loop recording, it ensures seamless coverage without overriding key events, even while parked. For full protection, you can pair it with the Miofive hardwire kit. Unlike battery-powered dashcams, the S1 E Ultra uses supercapacitors, delivering better heat resistance from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built for long-term reliability and supports up to 512 GB storage for extended recording sessions. Miofive stands by its product with an 18-month warranty and round-the-clock technical support. Their commitment to customer care ensures you get lasting value and peace of mind on every drive. Overall, the Miofive S1 E Ultra combines 4K clarity, reliability, and smart connectivity into one sleek package. Drive smarter, stay protected, and capture every journey confidently. Number 3. The 70Mi A810, a cutting-edge 4K dashcam designed to redefine your driving experience. With its dual HDR night vision, smart features, and crisp recording quality, this dashcam ensures your journeys are always crystal clear and secure. Let's dive in. The 70Mi A810 delivers breathtaking clarity with its IMX678 sensor and exclusive May-Color Vivid Plus solution, MVS. Every frame is sharp, colorful, and perfectly balanced, even in bright sunlight or low light. This ensures reliable, detailed footage for evidence or beautiful travel recordings on any road adventure. Equipped with Star 5IS2 technology, this dashcam captures superior detail in dark environments. Both front and rear channels record in HDR, ensuring you never miss license plates or road signs at night. It's the perfect blend of clarity and confidence for night drives. Control everything from the 7D My app, preview, edit, and download videos instantly. Integrated GPS logs your route, speed, and location, helping you track trips and providing vital data for insurance or incident reports, all accessible with ease. The advanced driver assistance system alerts you to lane departures or nearby vehicles. Even when parked, motion detection and 24-hour monitoring protect your car. Time-lapse mode conveniently condenses long footage for quick viewing. Add the optional 4G hardwire kit for remote alerts and cloud storage. Loop recording ensures uninterrupted video, while the emergency button locks vital clips instantly. Number 2. The smartest dashcams on the market, the Nextbase IQ. Packed with AI-driven features and incredible 1440p recording, it's designed to keep you and your car safe. Stick around. You'll definitely want to see what this device can do. The Nextbase IQ delivers stunning 1440p Quad HD footage with a 140-degree wide-angle lens. It captures every detail, from license plates to road signs, even in low light. Whether it's tailgaters or sudden impacts, this rear camera ensures you always have crystal-clear evidence when it matters most. With SmartSense parking, the IQ uses AI-powered spatial awareness to detect threats around your vehicle. Get instant alerts for any unusual movement or proximity. Through the Nextbase IQ app, you can respond instantly using voice commands or an alarm to deter potential intruders or vandals. Stay in control with Guardian mode. You can set specific speed and location limits and receive alerts if your car exceeds them. Access live footage directly from your phone and even communicate with the driver, perfect for parents, valets, or anyone borrowing your vehicle. If you ever feel unsafe, simply say, "Start witness mode." The IQ instantly records, locks the footage, and shares it with your trusted contacts. Whether it's an accident or a risky situation, you'll never be alone. Someone will always have your back in real time. The upcoming RoadWatch AI feature takes safety to the next level. It can analyze the speed of surrounding vehicles in your recordings, offering powerful evidence for insurance or legal cases. This innovation makes Nextbase IQ truly future-ready and one of the smartest dashcams ever made. So that's the Nextbase IQ. Smart, secure, and incredibly advanced. From AI-powered protection to crystal-clear visuals, it's more than just a dashcam. It's your intelligent driving companion. Number 1. The Viofo A329S, a powerful 3-channel dashcam that records in stunning 4K front, 2K interior, and 2K rear. If you're serious about full coverage, crystal clarity, and next-gen tech, you'll want to watch this review till the end. The A329S delivers breathtaking 4K front footage, capturing license plates and road signs in vivid detail. The 210 degrees interior fisheye lens covers your entire cabin, perfect for rideshare drivers. And with a 2K rear camera, it records sharp details of traffic behind you, day or night. Equipped with 3-star 5IS2 sensors, this dashcam redefines clarity. The front IMX678 sensor handles bright and dark scenes effortlessly, while the IMX675 sensors in the cabin and rear cameras deliver crystal-clear videos with minimal noise and incredible low-light performance. Thanks to its ultra-low power parking mode, the A329S watches over your car even when parked. It instantly records on impact, saving energy and storage, ideal for 24/7 protection. Transfer speeds get a massive upgrade with Wi-Fi 6. Download a 1-minute 4K clip in just seconds, making it easy to share or review footage instantly. With support for up to 4 TB SSDs and ultra-slim coaxial cables, installation is simple, clean, and interference-free. The Viofo A329S is a powerhouse of clarity, convenience, and security, perfect for every driver who values safety and performance.